next to me, but it snowed. I just got off work and there was no snow, and now there's snow everywhere. I'll show you. And I'm not, this is very dangerous. I should be paying attention to roads. My parents would kill me if they found out I was like filming while I was driving in the snow. I'm gonna look at the road. I'm not even gonna look at you. Usually I try and look at you. Yeah, I'm gonna get coffee. Like, I'm that hoe. It'd be a snowstorm and I'm getting coffee. I don't want it any other day but today. I love snow, so like I don't even care. But no, I literally thought I was gonna get trapped at work. Like, the roads suck. You should see this, like those more side roads. The main roads are alright, not really, but the side roads are even worse. Again, I shouldn't be doing this, but I was turning into Duncan and my brakes would not brake. I'm finally home. I felt like that took forever because my brakes kept going out. It was bad. You should have heard my brakes. And everyone was just zooming past me. I'm like, is it just my car that can't do this? The roads are terrible. Why is everyone speeding and how are you guys not wrecking? That was scary. I won't be driving. It's supposed to end at 6 tonight. Hopefully that's true. And if it snows out throughout the night, I will not be going to work in the morning. My mom's school, she's a teacher, they got called off, or they got early dismissal before school even started. I was like, I'm jelly. Okay, it's in the garage. Snow day. I don't know how I'm gonna vlog anything else, because what the freak am I doing? I'll play Fortnite. It's freezing. I have Birkenstocks on. I'm an idiot. But like, don't you just love the snow? I'm getting pizza tonight. Time to play Fortnite, I guess. I'm Captain America. Let's freaking go. First try, first game of the day. Do I even need to continue? Still snowing like a mug. 2 dubs in a row. Trios. See, look. It is still snowing. Can't really see, it's dark. But, yeah, and it's 6:30. It's supposed to stop 30 minutes ago. Do you see it? For a real one. I love snow. So it wasn't supposed to snow today, but it's snowing right now. Look at this. I'm getting yeeted. My hands are cold. I'm stupid. Okay. This vlog, I don't even know how it's gonna be. Like, I really don't. I guess we'll see, but last night I was gonna film. I went out to eat with Hannah and Zane, and it was super fun, but I totally forgot to film. Things were happening. It's just, and I played Fortnite. Like, that's all I did yesterday. If this vlog is gonna be used, like, I don't even know how. We'll see. But I'm making hot chocolate. Look how cute this freaking pink Keurig is with my cute cup. It's so cute. I'm obsessed with this cup, the little heart inside. I'm going out to eat for lunch with my mom and my aunt. We're taking our tree down and it's about time. Yeah, we're going out to eat. Might get some clips of that. Who knows? about to leave in a few. Should I do a fit check? Yes. Fit check. Nothing interesting. I'm wearing a PacSun shirt with waves on it. Because I'm a basic hoe. Look at these earrings. They're super cute. They got pearls. Just a black turtleneck. These freaking jeans and black bands. That's a fit. Is it a good fit? I don't know. I just wear whatever that I think is cute looking. Okay, we're going to McAllister's instead of the restaurant we were going to, which it isn't as aesthetically pleasing, but like whatever. It's good. Okay, now I'm at Kohl's and I stopped to look at earrings and my family left me, so I don't know where to go. I act like a little kid. I'm a freaking adult. I know where I'm going. These are $18. Okay, I'm done shopping and eating. I think I'm just gonna go home now, unless someone else decides to make plans. Cause I'm always down, but I'm always the one trying to make plans and no one wants to hang, but I'm always down to hang. Thanks for watching. I don't know if this vlog was even good, but I'll try my best to edit it good. But I don't know if I can do that with the clips I got, so thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.